Good morning, my YouTube viewers. This particular video, we're going to be talking about systematic sampling. And basically, systematic sampling is a random sampling point is chosen and every K member of the population is selected. So that is what systematic sampling is. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over how to do it in Python. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to import NumPy as NP, which is Python's numeric library. And then what we need to do is we need to define some example data. So data equals NP array, and it's an array of numbers from 1 to 15. We need to define the sample size of 5. And then we need to calculate the sampling interval K. So K equals the length of data, floor division, sample size. So that will give you a number. That will give you an integer of the division. So you won't get a float, you'll get an integer. And then so we randomly choose a starting point within the first K elements. So random start equals np.random randint 0, K. So that means it's going to give you a random integer from 0 to K. And then we're going to perform the systematic sampling. So systematic sample equals data. It's going to be square brackets, random start, colon, K. And then we're going to print the systematic sample. So the systematic sample is 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. So K is going to be, the sample size is 5, and I think that's 15 divided by 5 is 3. So that means every third integer, they're going to sample every third integer. So, and then what they do is the randint is going to be 2 from 0 to K, 0 to 3. So they selected 2. So it's going to be 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, and plus 3 is 14. And so that is an example of systematic sampling and how you perform it in Python. So the next video we're going to discuss cluster sampling, which is another type of sampling as well.